Hi guys, welcome to another video of Incorporate Fitness, and I am Shaiju Balagopal, your fitness trainer. Well, what we're going to do today, it's going to be chest. Okay, so we are going to do chest, and we're going to do it on the cable. We're going to do it on the functional trainer, and that's how we're going to do it. Not using any other equipment. We're going to just work on the functional trainer for all the pec exercise today, so that if you have a functional trainer, you can do complete your whole chest workout with just that. All right, so that's what we're going to do, and I'm just going to show you them working out and then finish so that you can watch that quickly. So all the exercises are 20 reps or 15 reps into 3. So whatever your capability is. So anywhere, if you're looking for a fat loss, so typically if you're going to look for a fat loss, start looking at 20 into 3. If you're looking at building an endurance capability, somewhere around 15 with a load which you can do only 15 exercise, 15 reps. And if you're looking at enlarging your chest muscles or pec muscles, anywhere between 8 to 12 reps is what you should look at. Start monitoring your workout according to what you need and fix the target and use the weights appropriately and start doing it. So the first one we're going to do is the server plate. So you're going to bring the cable from down up and then hold it for a second, then slowly drop it down. You're going to bring it really slow. So bring it up, then bring it down slow. The second exercise is going to be pec press. Okay, so you're going to bring the cable at the shoulder height and then press it over. Then the third one is going to be from down up. Okay, so you're going to press it down. You're going to target your lower chest and press it down. Then the next exercise is going to be the bear hug and press. So what you're going to do is press the cable together like this, load it and then press and push it forward as far as possible, but not extend it, but push it as far as, but your load is pressed this way, holding the cable against going out. Right? So that's the first four exercises. The last two, I will add it on. What you're going to do is going to be doing push-ups, okay, and then the Indian push-ups. So those are the two last exercises which you're going to do. Or you can, instead of the Indian push-up, you can also alternate it with a pike push-up. So these are the exercises which we're going to do today, and it's going to be really intense. Try doing it, and as I told you, choose your rep range according to what you like, and I'll show you those exercises. My team is going to do it for you, and you're going to watch it. All right? See you in the video.